The two wise goats. Once upon a time, there were two wise goats. They were crossing a narrow bridge. Only one could get across at a time. Their names were Goat and Goat. They both came from opposite directions. While they were walking, they met in the middle of the bridge. Which was so narrow that they could not pass each other. Oh my God, it's so narrow. Both of them wanted to be the first one to cross, so both of them started quarreling. Guys, fighting will not help you. After some time, one of the goats thought it was useless quarreling on this bridge. I told ya. He sat down to let the other goat pass, and then he passed. That's a nice idea. So nice of you guys. Then he got up and went to the other side. Both of the goats went safely to the other side because Wiseness saved the day. Moral of the story: being wise always saves the day. Wise means good. The end. Thanks for watching BeeHive Story Time.